Sometimes when I'm up here, I feel like I'm flying. I feel like a bird. You guys know birds? B-E-O-I-D. I feel like a bird. With its long, furry arms and its long, furry legs and its beautiful pecker. Oop. Covered in fur. Flap, flap, says the bird as he flies directly into the sun. You know, they say the oily boy gets the way. And the oily jack gets the laugh. You know, there's a bird called a booby. and there's another bird called a tit. I mean, what's next? Some perv gonna call a bird a vagina? Man, the acoustics in here are amazing. I can't hear anyone laughing tonight, but I love these birds, but there's another flying guy getting a lot more airtime right now, and that's the bee. You guys know bees? Yeah? I'm a bee. Is the crowd still here? But but you know these birds, they kind of look like a zebra, but nothing like a zebra? Does anyone know what a bee is? You know, they got these like 2-inch stingers. Oh, see, I'm gonna use metrics. It's like 5 liters Celsius. Liter. We don't have time. But these guys come into your house and they sting you and then they die. And all these freaking hipster millennials want to save these bees. Did that same fad make it over here to New York City? Okay. Why?
Honey.
You talking to my wife? Wow. Come on. Someone give me a real one. Pollinization? Isn't that what we're mad at Christopher Columbus for? Okay, I've lost the room. So, you win Antifa? And by the way, Antifa? Really? Big bowl of soup? Protein of choice? A little sriracha? Bon me, bon you. But that is very respectful music. We searched so on YouTube, so. Okay, you win, liberals. This is what it would be like if there was a bunch of bees in the room right now. Is this what we want? Is this why we were all on the streets voting for Eric Adams? Is this why we rallied behind him and Andrew Yang? If this is where AOC is taking this city, then get me the hell to Boston. It's fake news. Think about it. BBC. They control the media. It crushes over there. But did you guys know that 70% of bees sting 30% of their victims for no reason? Operator, can you connect me to a joke from 45 minutes ago? Slam. It's just like right in front of our face, you know? Got it. But